Now up here on the top of the head, the hair, I'm still using my PanPastels, but you can see I've got a nice rich red colour because I don't want to lose the vibrancy in that colour. Okay, so I don't want to go using a grey and then expect to get the red on top. I want to go right in with a rich colour, because you'll struggle otherwise to get that richness back. Now I'm going to go into that with details with pencils, of course. But if you've got a vibrant colour, a rich colour, make sure you put that in. If anything, too rich, too vibrant. You can always knock it back down a bit by putting something darker or grayer on top, but you will struggle more getting something rich on top of it. Okay, if you have done it, the way to go then is with pastel sticks, because they are more vibrant, they've got more pigment in them, so you've got more chance of getting that richness back. Okay, so same technique, still putting it down with that same type of applicator as an underlayer. And now I'm going to work my way down onto the chest. So again, I'm checking to see that the mix I've made, the grey, is just about right. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I want it to be quite accurate. And you see, by doing that, that's how you prove to yourself that you're really close to the colour, and then you can have confidence applying it. Now, many beginners just jump that stage. They think they got the right colour and they go for it, and then at the end they find they're drawing or painting, because it works with oils as well, of course. They find that their artwork lacks contrast, or the colours are wrong, or something is out and it can't be corrected and adjusted. Okay, so spend the time to do it. Just cut the edge off some of your sheets when you're cutting your sheets down in size, and get those small strips, and then just check your colour on them. And it really needs to be the same colour paper you're using, or it doesn't really work. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. Now I can come in with the real rich browns or reds. You see, and drag out more individual haze where the light is catching. I'm trying out a few different colours. I don't want them all to look the same colour, so I'm trying them out to find which one looks the richest and the most natural. You see my pencils even now not very sharp at all, and that's where the light is starting to catch on the surface by Humor, pulling some of those out over the background as well. I'm just going to continue now to build up the layers, gradually going brighter, more vibrant as I drag these hairs out, and they come quite a long way over the background as well in places. But it's another thing that attracted me to this reference photo to do it as a drawing. Now on this section I'm using more of an orange colour. I'm going to be putting in the wavy haze on the top, creating that vibrant lighting effect over the next couple of minutes. So I'm just going to leave all of this real time so you can see how I just bring these haze over the top to create more impact in this area. Now notice the angle of my pencil is really quite shallow. If I was upright and pointing down, I'd be blunting the tip all the time. So by using it shallow like this and turning my pencil every couple of strokes, I'm keeping the point, the tip on the pencil fairly sharp. Okay, so I'm not blunt, creating a blunt tip to it. Now I'm bringing out just a few more even brighter highlights. Just wanted to quickly mention my Patreon channel for those looking for even more in-depth art instruction. It's packed full of pastel videos, oil videos as well, and those videos are being added to new ones every single month. I have videos for the complete beginner that have never done pastels or oils before with just limited supplies, and I take you from the very first blocking in all the way through to the final detailed drawings and paintings. I've also got some really unusual subjects as well, and in all of my videos I always take you through all the details. You see everything I do, how I create my work. But it's not just for beginners, it's also for novices, and I also show the best artwork that I've ever done as well. And this particular elephant video spans 6 hours, so you know you're going to see tons and tons of details, tips and techniques. And as mentioned, I've got lots of oil videos on there too, so there really is something for everybody, and you get access to hundreds of hours worth of videos for just $4. Now over 1,000 members strong. Hope to see you there soon.